Alright, see, Kotoko Bobo and a more rapid pitch, and have a walk or more test pitch, and San and Cave, and to a frasier. I will have seen tea. Actually, Eddie, am I in the Kotoko test in Kakaka? I'll share pulling so negative one. I go around. Share Amaniwa, and so actually, of course, you will have seen. Probably Kumasi Asante Kotoko place, and I have to walk on the pitch before they start. Fair game start, and Joshua Omo dressing code now. The hoop brand, and so I'm a Omo just and Emma else what is an outcome? Come on. I have said so. This is the look we share. Send your picture and so easy at a picture. Now you're ready for the game. Under the Black Stars of Ghana, and so a ball every year for send your name out. Players no, and I have to work on the pitch. Now, PPR and so to me, and so I'm getting in up. And my attention and my baby, and so if the players well ahead of Gamer and also Eba, the Koso, Ewa, I have seen which any now I subscribe Albert Samoa and then Namtown has seen Albert Samoa. I go, so I see no to say Buffalo. Checheni Adia, Patrick CSU, Seth Pedro, Philip Pamo, and so Ewa, I have seen which actually in Sada, any Joe, any Sada. Bansi, Edia, Era, dressing back to the dressing room. I share Amaniba and Swatini, across the year, our own tea. Probably come out here and take the players, a proper copy, pitch, but the technical team, so Edema, wax one of the Dinam, Walid name of Seri Walid in here, Sanso and other players on my account. Yeah, almost a check. I will hold my almost a share. I'm a young team. I can do the technical team, my work, and so Albert Amwa, Albert Amwa, Kamara, Mohammed Kamara, goalkeeper, Edema Probia Kumasi Asante, for the body. Omuna, and so about the dressing room back to my yeah, and so elegant, and what happened from what AM whatever she has said, now I can talk. Super arrival of Kotoko. Super arrival of Kotoko. Yes, and they be a jack, and I will say, I'm my media team. No, I'm for back on the account. But the team that my baby room come out, and so I have seen here. Say any man to me, I could see, and so we are respecting people, and so decisions now.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification button. dressing room.
Media so editor now so ya waiting say on so ba ama bibia so to me akoso ye e wa hase na kodoko supporters a omu fi Kumasi e ba na de men kam fa na da omu dos ye pa and the share say e betimi nya chairman Alex Menu ni en team because Sandra na omu nyina e wa ha omu e hwe ama enema nso to me akoso ye ewo ahasenti eguso etwa mfonyini ere amount from Accra Sports Stadium say ene ewo send yema ekoye edi ema krobia Kumasi Asante kodoko supporter na say untiri emewure mu ase ya na why fast awia na de awia ne monsa dabi awia no emonsa emu slopa awia no emonsa but yehwe say awia no betimi abokakra edi ama faabu na enema nso atuni akoso ye yede mu wura pitch no so na yakwakoye pitch no so ho adwuma e de amount hwede se de stance no mu ensu esi etia yede ni na e de amount ya hwese benya interviews 1 or 2 bi nanka yaye ansa nanka wura pitch no so bata yehwe se yebenya interview 1 or 2 bi ensu atuli aye na yemu akwaba na yemfa omra GH live studio also na obehwe senior Accra Sports Stadium esi airco and day our hasia game akodoko any work of Morocco and so erebebo any chairman Alexander Menu and so edru hasia any omo ehwe amaniema so atimi and so ako ye oba no share video no na unia and so enya bi enjoy so behind Accra Sports Stadium and a twamo emfonyini edi etrempanyfo ne de toto na so aba bedu ase ya ene omuguso omo efa omo ho adwen serebe ya nema so betimi akoso yi edi ama the club ya Kumasi Asante kodoko the Kings Club fabulous the best fabulous the greatest fabulous emu so eye nations FC for no so bedwa nations for no enso aba bedwa enrom beda ha sei yenda Dr. Kwame Chey yana asepa oba around the stadium security so very tighter in paying for hodona and so ewa ha omo monitor nema and so amanema so atimi akoye fabu census and so ababedru omo so ehwe amanema so atimi akoso yenti live report live update from Accra Sports Stadium and a twa hu funi e the amount chairman Solomon Ofosu Ware eno chairman Solo ana ogina honom no obaye nche chairman Solo ebewura mu enche kra Sanso communications director the Macrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko one also around that one also airshare amaniema and so atumi akọ ye holemti ye twa mfonyine no the amamo na so send ye niema and so esi etie one Asante Kotoko and so antem no egusuwa around the stadium obo airshare amaniema de ko I can push the hope brand for no and so ba be she Jesus ntuba oba na opekesi ni bia na etumi aye kama hwesoro ho hwesoro na fa abu census for no ana mo so ababegya ne flags no etoma omo ede adwuma e wase no mpeinfo kakra na mo aba no ana mo exercise operations manager ede Macrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko your friend Christopher Demenya omunyina enso e wa around the friend papa na e na e the hoop brand for enso papa na bia ena omo e wa Asante brand ne de omo ehwe amanema nso atimi akoso ye e wa house ye twen se Kotoko supporters a omo free chichi ene menche enso e ba no bia enso ba bitu ha sei na etumi enso akokama e wa anse oba ha de a Kotoko flags no ene niema aka no enso e ye adwuma e wo ahase pa share around that enema enso edida na akwemu a je hwe amabi bibia nso atimi akoso ye aha e GH live studio ba na wotumi subscribe channel no at the Amayan Lawyer Safu Duku communications director at the Emma Probia Kumasi Asante Kotoko obunyina ka ho mo ehwe amanema enso atumi akoso yi ewo ahasenti enema editemu a yehwe ama bibibia enso atumi akoso yi ewo hase na Kotoko supporters a omu free Kumasi eba na de men kam fanada o mo do si pa